Welcome back to the TheSindhiGirl's YouTube channel. I am so excited for this video, honestly. 2018 has been one of the best years of my life when it comes to skincare. I found so many new products. I found out so much more about my skin. I got into acids and retinols, and I've thoroughly enjoyed the journey of learning more about exfoliation, learning more about masking, exploring what my skin likes, what my skin doesn't like. And let's just jump straight into the video because I have quite a few products to share with you, so I have a feeling this video is going to be a long one. Now, I am going to begin by cleansing. The first and foremost step for any skincare routine, obviously, is a very good cleanser. I discovered this gem when I was still living in London, Earle's Cleanse and Polish. It is naturally active, that's what it says. And it has eucalyptus essential oil, rosemary, chamomile, this, that, but I found this very useful for my skin because I have problem skin. I don't have genetically blessed clear skin. I have a lot of acne problems and my skin has gone through a lot. So I have seen the progress that my skin has had with the routine that I have created for myself. So these are the products that have worked best for me. Now please keep in mind, I have shifted back from London. I used to live there for a long time, and the products that we use depend on the place that we live in, like they affect. I have found these products have been working well for me even after shifting back to Bombay, so I'm very grateful. And the skin type also affects how the product works on each skin, so please bear in mind, this is just the start of my YouTube channel. I'm going to talk more about all this in the upcoming videos, but just to be quick, so this has been one of the best cleansers, and this comes with this beautiful muslin cloth. It's 100% cotton, and this really helps, the flannel really helps to take all the dirt and grime off the face. And the cleanser is very moisturizing. It hasn't stripped my skin off of all the moisture, so after the wash my skin doesn't feel very tight and dry, which you normally feel with other cleansers. I am running out of this and I'm quite worried about it, so yeah, this has been one of the best cleansers. If you're in the UK, please don't miss to try this out. And this has helped me, like I saw an instant difference when I started using it. It helped me clear up my acne, and that's a big thing for a cleanser to do, so I genuinely love this cleanser. Talking about a good cleanse, I gifted this to myself on last year's Valentine's Day, February 14th. I got it from Debenhams. It was on offer, half price. This is the Clinique Sonic brush. I don't know if you can see, but it has this beautiful massaging feeling to it, and it has really helped. Again, this has really helped my acneic skin. Right now, whatever acne I have left on my skin this is hormonal. It's that time of the month, but this entire face I have gone through really bad patches, and now my cheeks have become much clearer. So this skincare regimen has really helped me get where I have reached as of now. This has been the best purchase of my life for my skin, genuinely, hands down. I love, and it's from Clinique. I love Clinique. Now moving on, these are the best ones. I've been trying a lot and I'm only going to talk about the best ones in this. Okay, now moving on from cleansing. After cleansing, it's important to exfoliate. What exfoliation does is it takes off all the dead skin cells on your face, on your skin. Cleansing does the same job, but what exfoliation does is it goes one step further in doing the same job. The dead skin cells accumulate on our skin, so it requires a little harsher method of taking those off. Not just a cleanser, but a good exfoliator. And the exfoliators which have those micro beads in them are so passe. They are not good for the environment, they are not good for the skin, and it's very important to educate ourselves. I come from a research background. I've done 2 masters in life and I like researching about everything, so that's my approach to skincare. I love educating myself about skincare. I have accumulated a lot of knowledge by reading a lot of books, talking to different dermatologists, and also just understanding my skin. So I believe in chemical peels and I like exfoliating with products that do not have those microbeads in it. So I have 3 best exfoliators that have worked for my skin again. The first and foremost, my favorite one, I haven't been using this for a long time consistently, but I've been using it on and off since I've bought it. I've been using it for a good few months now. The Ordinary is AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. Now I know this is a very concentrated glycolic and salicylic acid in it. AHA, BHA very strong and very concentrated. So people who've used it will know about it, but people who haven't, please don't just directly start with this. It has to be slowly introduced into the skin. I have loved it. My skin has loved it. And after I take this peel off, I feel like the products that I apply on top of it, they get absorbed into the skin so quickly. So I know, like I can feel it, that a full layer of dead skin cells has gone off from my face. I can just feel it, you know. So I love this. My other favorite exfoliator from last year is this Daily Microfoliant by Dermalogica. Now this was gifted to me by my aunt on my birthday as a present. And again, this is supposed to be used daily. I haven't been using it every day, but on the days when I feel like I need some extra cleansing, proper second, third wash after my normal facial wash, I use this, and it's very gentle. It has this rice enzyme in it, rice based powder, and I really like it. It has worked for my acneic skin. Again, I feel this is very good. The whole regimen that I have is also good for normal skin, but also especially for acneic skin. And then this glycolic acid peel 5% by Nip and Fab. These are pre-soaked cotton pads. What glycolic acid does is it helps, again, clear off your acne problems, but also it helps with the general exfoliation of the skin, takes off the dead skin cells, and it's known to bring this glow on your face if used properly for a long period of time. These pads by Nip and Fab have been fab, and I genuinely love them. So these are the 3 best exfoliators that I have used and have worked for me. So cleansing, exfoliating. Exfoliating is just a deeper form of cleansing, to put it very briefly. Cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing. Now moving on to moisturizing. My skin is very dehydrated. I don't have dry skin. I have very dehydrated skin. My skin used to be oily. Now it has become normal after a good skincare regimen, but now it's between normal combination skin, and it's very dehydrated. I believe in a lot of moisturization. Our bodies are made up of 75% water. So I believe in hydrating from the outside as well as from the inside. From the outside, the moisturizers that have helped me, I love The Ordinary. Oh my god, it has created such a storm in the skincare business, and I love it. So The Ordinary's Matrixil 10%, which also has hyaluronic acid in it. I have finished 2 of these bottles and I've kept them just to show you guys. These have been beautiful, and after shifting back from Bombay, it's a very humid city out here. Bombay is very humid. So these bottles have really helped me. This one, I love it, I'm out of it. But these 2 have been best for a very good hydration. Hyaluronic acid helps to retain the moisture level in your skin, and it sucks up all the moisture from the air, and you know, it brings it into your skin. So I love that. Hyaluronic acid is my favorite thing. And this Clinique, I had got this travel size version. I had got it as a gift with purchase. Dramatically different. It has been a classic in Vogue listings, but to be honest with you, it has dramatically helped my skin when it comes to moisture. I've run out of it. I need to buy a good moisturizer. But again, this one and Matrixil have been 2 of my favorite ones. The final 3rd favorite, and I haven't stopped using it since I've bought it, but it's very expensive, so I'm trying to save it for special occasions, but I can't. I have landed up using it every day. Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. Good lord, is it magic. It's very expensive. This small little tub of 50 ml. It's very expensive. I requested my friend to buy it from Dubai when she was in Dubai, but this is beautiful. I wish I could just keep using it. So if money were not a problem, this is what I would use every day. And on days when I don't feel like applying a good moisturizer, I just spritz this. This is Body Shop's Vitamin E Rose Mist. It has rose water, vitamin E, and honestly, the more we hydrate, the more our skin feels happier and it stays good without any problems. I feel like the more I've started drinking water, more I've started taking care of my skin, my acne problems have gone down. Of course, it's also about the food that we eat and the stress that we go through. But skin wise, I go through these bottles and I genuinely love mists. I'm into a lot of face mist, and I love rose water and jasmine mist. Anyway, so on the days that I don't like moisturizing properly, I just spritz this on my face. I do a lot of sunscreen and I'm out the door. Even even when I'm in office, even when I'm working, I always have a mist by my side. I like spritzing every 2-3 hours so that when I'm drinking water, I'm also applying some water from the outside so that my skin is hydrated inside and outside. Hydration is key. For me, hydration is key. I apply a generous layer, like you can see, and I absolutely love it. It feels so nice. And on days when I feel extra good, I don't forget to keep this in the refrigerator, and in the morning it is so cooling on my face, like my skin drinks it up. So yeah, as you can see, I do this even on top of makeup and my skin drinks it up, and it'll be normal in a couple of minutes. Now after moisturizing, please don't leave your homes without sunscreen. Understand the importance of sunscreen. I want to do separate dedicated video on sunscreen. My skin has gone through very bad problems because of the sun. I had developed these hyperpigmentation patches, which I still think are there. They have faded a bit, but it has taken me a lot of time to recognize that how important sunscreen is in our lives, and it has taken me a lot of years to work on it to just make my skin normal. My skin still is not one color, and that really affects me. So yeah, it's not even color, it has hyperpigmentation patches, and that's why I have learned the importance of sunscreen the hard way, and now I swear by sunscreen. I do not care how I look if I have sunscreen on, but I love sunscreen. One of my favorites has been this one by La Roche-Posay, one of my favorite French pharmacy brands. Again, it is SPF 50 plus. Now the beauty with this is it's a tinted sunscreen, and what it does is I don't have to worry about that white color looking face that people often worry about when they put sunscreen on. This is my skin color, so the minute I put it, I massage it well into my skin, and it just feels like there's nothing on my skin, and I'm well protected. So I quite love this. This has been one of my favorites. So this is what happens when I apply the sunscreen, and I absolutely love it. On days when I'm in a rush, I just put this sunscreen on after the moisturizer, and I'm out of the door after a dab of lipstick. My other favorite discovery in 2018 in the past year has been products by Dr. Dennis Gross. Now I have read up all about him, and he is my favorite dermat, if I may say so myself. It's a dream to see him, to meet him. I have fallen in love with the sunscreen from him. As you can see, I've finished up 2 of these bottles. This is the Dark Spot Sun Defense. Again, broad spectrum, SPF 50. Broad spectrum is very important, SPF 50. This has not only helped me with the sun protection, it has actually worked on my dark spots that I was talking about, the hyperpigmentation one, and I have seen them fade because I've been using this religiously every single day since I bought it. I bought this from Cult Beauty while I was still in London. So I've been using this religiously for a good few months now, and yeah, I swear by this sunscreen. If there was one product which I had to pick up from all of this, and if I was being sent to a desert island, this. I will never live without sunscreen. I don't want skin cancer, I don't want sun damaged skin, and we all need to protect ourselves from the sun. The amount of damage it does is mind-blowing. Alright, so that's sunscreen. That's my morning routine. That's my general morning routine when I don't add other things in it. Now moving on to the night products that have worked for me. Now I really believe in masks. I really believe in good hydration, as I said before, and I have been experimenting with different products, but the ones that I'm going to be talking about are the ones that I love. Beginning with the first one, Elizabeth Arden's Visible Difference. Now this one I got from Debenhams in 2017, and I've been using this since 2 years. This is a very thick moisturizer, which I use it like a mask. So after a good cleanse at night, I put this off and I go off to bed, and I wake up with the most beautiful skin. Like my skin feels very happy, you know, I don't feel itchy or tight or anything. It's my happy moisturizer, so I love it. I treat it as a mask, and I have gone through bottles and bottles of this. So this is my first favorite one. My second favorite one is this Origins Drink Up Intensive. Genuinely, my skin drinks it up. It lives up to its name, and I've been making these tiny marks with a permanent marker to see how many uses I get out of it. Just a little trivia. This also has sweet almond oil, and I like oils on my face, but only the ones that have been formulated well. So this one really works well on my skin because I use a lot of makeup, and because I'm a YouTuber and I also go to attend a lot of events and other things which require me to put makeup. So I need to take good care of my skin as well. I believe in skincare more than I believe in makeup. So this has been one of my favorites, absolute favorites. Again, same, cleansing, putting on a thick layer, going off to bed. The other discovery this year has been this one. This was £5 from Boots. Quick Fix Facials Vitamin C Miracle Mask. I love this mask. Like, I have a few more tubes of it. I stocked up on it before I left UK. It's just a very happy mask. Like, for £5, I hadn't expected it to be this good. My skin has had no reactions and it has really worked well for my skin. I used to use it at least twice a week. Now I'm using it sparingly because I don't want to run out of it. So yeah, this has been my third favorite mask. After coming to India, I have been hunting for good skincare products. One of the brands that I've been liking is Forest Essentials, and this is their Deep Hydration Ayurvedic Sheet Mask. Now the mask is called Sundari. In this packet, in this box, there are 3 such sachets. Now the beauty is, this one has this sheet mask which you have to open and apply. It's a sheet mask, you have to put it on your face. This one has 30 grams of product in it, like the mask. This is a 30 ml bottle. Imagine the amount of hydration you're getting in just one use. It is recommended to put this mask on and take it off after 15-20 minutes. I leave it on for an hour, for 2 hours, until the mask is completely dried out, and then I take it off. And when I put this mask on, I usually love giving myself a good massage. This one by Nurse Jamie from Cult Beauty. This was their Cult Beauty anniversary special. But this massager has really helped me with helping the products penetrate into my skin, and it gives a good massage. Nurse Jamie, again, this was a dream product for me to buy. So yeah, anyway, I digress. So this 30 grams worth of product goes into your skin in one use. Just imagine the amount of hydration. I absolutely love it. It's been a few months I've come back, and I have gone through at least 5 or 6 such boxes. So at least, how many? 10, 15. I use it once a week minimum. Like, I love this mask and I've fallen in love with it. Masks are of different types, of course. Some are sheet masks, some are overnight masks. You just put it on, you sleep off. And my final one is this. I got this sample pack from Debenhams from Clarins. It's the Hydra-Essentiel mask, and it is for normal to dry skin. It moisturizes and quenches dry skin. It's 5 ml. I've used it twice, and again, my skin has loved it. So I just wanted to share with you guys. I really want to buy a full pack of this because it has worked well for my skin. And I think Clarins is available in Sephora India. So I'm not too worried about not being able to buy the stuff that I have loved because the brands are not available in India yet. Okay, so finally, an honorable mention for this one, which I talked about briefly. It is not only important to just put product onto your skin and leave it. A little bit of good massaging helps stimulate your nerves and blood circulation. So I believe in that and I like doing that. I feel skincare is like my self-love session, so I quite enjoy that. And finally, I want to quickly talk about the eye cream because I'm 29 and I need to take care of my under eyes with the amount of screen time that we do these days. My under eyes are not that bad, thankfully. I do a lot of hydration. All the products that I apply also go under my eyes. I'm conscious of the fact that the skin under our eyes is thinner than the skin on our face, so it needs a little gentler version of what we use on the face. Mario Badescu's Hyaluronic, Mario Badescu's Hyaluronic eye cream. For people who don't like thick creams, they might not like this. I quite like it. I use it at night. I apply a thin layer and my skin absorbs it after a good little massage. So that's the eye cream I use. Oh, and I've also gone through Bobbi Brown's Hydrating eye cream. My god, I forgot about it. I had used it up in London. I couldn't bring the pot here to show you guys. But yeah, that's another fantastic eye cream which I really love because it does what it says. It hydrates your under eye area. So before I put my makeup on, I like hydrating my under eye area. Finally, I'm sorry if this video has been too long. Finally, I have been wanting to share this lip butter with you guys. It's from Heathcote and Ivory. I got this from John Lewis. I hadn't expected it to be this good. It genuinely is a lip butter and it is 20 grams. So this was full when I bought it. and it is made of just 3 or 4 ingredients. I like reading the labels, so I hadn't expected it to be this good. I suffer from really dry lips, and this has really worked wonders for me. I love it. Like, I genuinely love this lip butter, and I have tried and tested a lot of lip balms. Finally the last product. Again, talking about lips, this one has been my absolute favorite, by Heathcote and Ivory, the lip butter. So moisturizing, genuinely it's a lip butter. And this one by Ultrasun, I got it from the Heathrow airport when I was coming back. This one is SPF 30, so I feel mentally good that my skin is protected and my lips are protected with SPF 30, and this has been quite good. I have had no problems applying lipstick on top of it. It doesn't slip off. It's not that my lipstick doesn't work well with it, so this has been good SPF protection, and this for nights, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, all the mist has gone in. I'm sorry if this was too long a video, but I have genuinely been wanting to share this product information with you. I am new on YouTube, but I'm not new in skincare, so I have been accumulating all this and wanting to show you this. I hope you like this video. I'm a skincare junkie, and I love educating myself on skincare because I have gone through a lot of bad skincare phase. All the products that I've mentioned will be linked in the description box below. Also, I want to quickly add, nothing of this is sponsored. I have bought all these products with my own money. I have found out about all these products with my own educational information research that I like doing, and I love experimenting. I like finding some hidden gems, some 5-pound gems, some not 5-pound gems. But yeah, these products, if you're thinking of buying, I definitely recommend them. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Please share this video with your friends and family who you think might enjoy this video. Please subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and until I see you in the next video, lots of love. Bye.